Today, we are taking a closer look at the Coolzy, a portable device marketed as a complete cooling and heating solution for your home. According to the manufacturer, it cools any room within minutes, runs almost silently, consumes very little electricity, and requires absolutely no installation. These are significant promises, and before you part with your money, there are 5 important things every consumer should consider. The first concerns the rapid cooling claim. The product's website repeatedly states that the Coolzy delivers fresh, cool air to any room and can bring your space to a comfortable temperature within minutes. However, the company provides no BTU rating, no independent laboratory results, and no verified performance data to support this. In the air conditioning industry, BTU ratings are the standard measure of cooling capacity. Without that information or any third-party testing to confirm these results, there is no objective way for consumers to assess how well this device actually performs. The second point relates to the energy efficiency claim. The sales page states that the Coolzy is up to 10 times more powerful than conventional units, while operating at ultra-low energy consumption. The company also suggests it can cool your home without meaningfully raising your electricity bill. However, no standardized methodology, no independent energy audit, and no comparative technical data is provided to explain how this figure was calculated. When a product makes extraordinary performance claims, consumers have every right to expect equally strong supporting evidence, and that evidence is not present here. The third concern involves the marketing approach used on the website. As you browse the product page, you will notice a prominently displayed 50% discount, repeated warnings that stock is running low, and limited-time offer countdowns. The page is also structured to resemble an independent editorial article, yet a small disclaimer at the bottom confirms it is a paid advertisement. The site also highlights over 20,000 customer reviews to build credibility. These elements are designed to encourage fast purchasing decisions rather than careful, informed comparison shopping. The fourth point is that this appears to be a drop-shipped product. A device virtually identical in design and function to the Coolzy is available through wholesale suppliers on Alibaba for approximately $7 to $8 per unit, while the retail price on the Coolzy website is considerably higher. Rebranding mass-produced goods and selling them at a significant markup is a common practice in dropshipping. This does not necessarily mean the product is without value, but consumers should be aware of this pricing reality before making a purchase. The fifth and final concern relates to customer reviews on Trustpilot. Multiple customers reported that the device functioned more like a basic fan than a genuine air conditioner, contrary to what the advertising suggested. Others claimed that reviews displayed on the official website did not accurately reflect real customer experiences. More seriously, some buyers reported being charged for additional products they never ordered, and at least one customer stated they only recovered their money after raising a formal dispute through PayPal. While individual experiences naturally vary, these recurring patterns of complaint are worth taking seriously. To summarize, the Coolzy makes ambitious claims about its cooling power and energy efficiency, relies on high-pressure marketing techniques, appears to be a rebranded wholesale product, and has attracted a considerable number of negative reviews concerning both its performance and the overall purchasing experience. As always, we strongly recommend conducting thorough, independent research and reading verified reviews before committing to any purchase.